The Turbosmart BOV Controller Kit is a kit comprising a controller, solenoid and all cables and hoses required for installation. The blow-off valve controller itself is an electrical device that takes input from your throttle pedal and uses this to energize a solenoid and vent your chosen valve. The controller is adjustable for sensitivity and activation duration, allowing you to customize it to your needs. The BOV controller is designed to provide engines such as diesel and other low/no vacuum signal engines where a dump or diverter valves is required. The Turbosmart RacePort is famous for being an amazingly small and light BOV for tourist induction competition level engines. Featuring our unique collar design and internal flow structures, it is 50% lighter and 25% smaller than the competition while flowing 330 CFM, making it the highest flowing BOV of its type on the market. Turbosmart's boost balance system means the more boost you feed this valve, the better it closes and seals. It is literally as simple as that. Billet aluminum construction with a diaphragm-operated valve for the fastest possible response with V-band fitment and a range of springs to suit your needs.